Last time these two teams faced each other, it went to 5 sets. Not that I'm trying to imply anything here. Pwede naman, Nan.
Pwede naman, of course.
KKD first hit, and Laksina and Sharp are ready for it. Last time these two teams faced each other, it went to 5 sets. Not that I'm trying to imply anything here. Pwede naman, Nan.
Pwede naman, of course.
KKD first hit, and Laksina and Sharp are ready for it. You target Savvy from the middle. Reyes, and a quick point for PLDT, are in the top 10.
That is why this is a good matchup. I mean, you know, even if the Chargers remain winless at this point, we know how they can challenge.
Sharma to serve. Fajardo, bibigay kay Savvy. Pancake save for Alba. It's a good save for Mars. KKD.
Or the ones covering here on the side of Akari.
First ball for Laksina. Soltones with a cross court. And she is looking to bounce back after struggling.
Courtesy of Soltones.
Good first pass. KKD again. Ooh. And not enough touches left. 3 serving 4 now for PLDT. Azareno, secondary setter here for Gretzel. Soltones bounces off the hands, kept in play. Arado with the coverage. And Davison will score her first point in the match. Domingo, short ball there. Soltones with a tough angle. Back to Savvy. Azareno with the dig. From the pipe, Laksina. And that's a fireball for Ivy Laksina.
You see the intensity with their attackers.
Back to Alba. Quickly to send Domingo. Not the best of first balls there. They improvise here. Mars to the slide, tight to the net. Fajardo quickly to Majoy Baron. And si Coach Tina Salak parang gusto sumali.
But of course, it will continue to be challenged.
Prado putting it up. Back row Savvy. Switch up mid-air. Balik kay Laksina. And that point will go to Akari off the block. Over reception and a regalo for Mika Reyes. And we're all tied up at 7. Laksina. Savvy diving. Reyes mistimed it. And Alba will try attacking here. Had these rallies. And now a chance ball for PLDT. Fajardo will set. Back to Reyes. Longest rally so far of set number 1. And Mika Reyes with a stuff block.
With them today is all about patience. Even with a winless record, sabi nga ni Coach Tina Salak, there's no desperation here, just urgency mixed with the necessary belief. Their setter Mars Alba share that this stretch is revealing who can truly lead under pressure, not just vocally but through body language and energy. End of the game. Let's find out, Jaime and Ann.
Thank you so much, Kyla. One thing about that report, and it's not about the vocal leader, sabi ni Mars, it's the body language. That's a big thing.
Oh yeah, yeah, and you know, especially for you know, these players, no, malaking bagay yung nararamdaman mo. People who are with you on the court.
Versus Zeus Coffee. Past 2 games, she has been amazing, averaging 12 points per game to the conference so far.
Started off with 10 points in her first game, then 14 in the last game with Zeus Coffee. They're blocking.
Fajardo continues to serve. Fifi Sharma trying to spark some momentum.
The plays of PLDT.
Another tough serve for Tagaod. KKD from the opposite side. And she has been automatic, really. Prado is actually leading all scorers right now with 5 points. Balik kay Soltones. That is sent right back for Akari. Soyud had to adjust. So still a 6-point lead for PLDT. Mid-air switch up there for Soltones.
Akari has to score more, but I think first things first, they have to keep the ball alive. All of those attacks coming from the side of PLDT.
Out of system, and Savvy Davison, she's not a choosy player.
Well, in mid-air.
Yun ang cannot be reached talaga,
Oh,
si Savvy.
hirap eh. Pwede ka pang magkape, dumaan sa ilalim.
Soltones.
Oh.
Domingo, one-handed save for Savvy. KKD with 4 points now on 4 attacks.
With their offense.
If there's one thing about Akari, Mars Alba has found trying to mix things up here, Coach Tina Salak. Fajardo the set. Savvy saved by Cal. Tagaod from the back. Arado will set. How about that set by Kat Arado? And a free ball here for PLDT. Caf back again. KKD. She has been so... I know I sound like a broken record, Anne, but...
Here for the high-speed hitters, it feels like, they really have a good eye on all those open spots, no? Yung mga hindi unmanned spots on the side of Akari.
This time it's Savvy from the other end. Tagaod digging. Domingo not ready. And now it's back to Davison, right? That cross court, that's inside. That's a good serve for Soltones. And an opportunity for Akari. Laxina slowed down by the blockers. Counter attack for Davison. Azareno will bump it back to Ivy, who breaks the barrier. Sharp serve for Savvy. Laxina, that was read well. Soreño from the other end. Good adjustment there for Jean Soreño. Alcantara and Majoy Baron. She has really learned to specialize in her role, embrace that role. Another great serve for Caseo. Alcantara choosing Reyes and Fifi Sharma with a one-man block. And now would be a good time to come back with Laxina and Soyud with Sharma in the front row. Chance ball na naman para sa Akari. Fifi Sharma. That's 2 straight points for Fifi. It's really hard to predict this All-Filipino conference.
Which makes it really a good one to follow and to watch.
Kasi it's a marathon. Kung ako katabi ko si Carl, parang matatakot ako eh.
Matatakot ka?
Such a great player, but right now...
What happens is that nauuna yung blocking nila, nag-a-adjust yung attacker. It's correct. They have to respond. They have to be the one to adjust to the attack. But how is the question?
1 point away. Sharma is blocked. Azareno will bump it. Bigay kay Soyud. That has to feel good for Ellie Soyud. They've been... Good first pass for Arado. Sharma putting it up. Pancake save. It's still good.
All on the floor.
Only from Kim Fajardo. 1 point away still for PLDT. They try Soyud, soft touch, covered by Arado. Set back to KKD. Ellie will try once more. Sharma with great reflexes. And the rally continues. Davison. Another long rally we have here. So Soltones looking to put an end to it. And she does it with her veteran moves. Back to Fajardo. Davison looking to put an end to it. And she finally ends the run with